Welcome back to AM Northwest. Your face may not reveal your age, but your neck could be adding on the years. Here to share the amazing results that you can achieve with a LipoLift, please welcome back to AM Northwest from Aesthetic Medicine, Dr. Jerry Darm and his patient Katie Cook. Good to have you both with us. First, Dr. Darm, let's talk about what LipoLift is.
LipoLift is a very simple procedure. A small cannula is introduced underneath the skin, and a laser actually melts the fat. And then the skin tightens as well at the same time. That's what differentiates it from traditional liposuction. Also, it's less traumatic than the mechanical liposuction that's done. And so afterwards, immediately afterwards, interestingly, you have, the fat's gone and your neck shrinks. And, your contour changes, and, it's just a fabulous procedure. It takes maybe a half an hour.
And as we get older, it seems our chin just seems to run right into our neck.
Some people even younger. Actually, I saw a 15-year-old yesterday who had a little bit of a bulge that she wanted to get rid of. And so it was, it doesn't matter what age you are, 85 to,
Katie, tell us about your experience. So why did you decide to go in and see Dr. Darm and get the LipoLift?
I don't know. I just kept watching the commercials and thinking, I'm getting older, but I don't feel older. I don't need to advertise looking older.
You wanted the outside to reflect the inside.
Exactly.
Let's take a look at some before and after pictures. And Dr. Darm, I mean, this is a remarkable difference. This looks great. It all looks like you lost weight.
Well, and you see how much tightening there is. That's the key. So it's a very natural look. You can see, the little turkey waddle is gone, and so it's just a whole different look. I mean, obviously.
Looks much better. Katie, what kind of reaction have you received from people? Did you tell anybody you were going to have it done?
A very select few. Most of them I didn't say anything, and people would look at me and kind of look again, and I knew they were thinking something, but they never had the courage to ask. One of my coworkers came in my office and he says, "Okay, what's going on with you? You look younger." I said, "Your eyes are getting older."
Well, you look fantastic. So talk about the downtime that's needed, and is it one procedure? Is it two procedures?
No, it's just one, and it takes maybe half an hour, and there's really very little downtime. You can have a little bit of bruising. You have to wear this band for 3 days, but really not a lot of pain involved, and just a very, very quick, simple, you're wide awake.
Yeah.
So
would you do this again, Katie? Was it a good experience for you?
I had it done on Friday, and I was at work on Monday. Not one person noticed my bruising.
Yeah. Oh, fantastic.
It was amazing.
And what kind of who is a good candidate for something like this?
Well, anybody who has extra fat. Now, that said, there are some people with, if you have a lot of wrinkles, then really that's more of a plastic surgery procedure.
Oh,
but somebody with a full neck whose skin is tight, reasonably tight and smooth, those are our best candidates. And even people with really large necks, but as long as it's smooth and as long as there's fat in there, we can make a change, life-altering change.
Oh, that's fantastic. And we want to tell folks if they'd like to find out more, you can contact Aesthetic Medicine, 4800 Meadows Drive in Lake Oswego. The number is 503-697-9777. And we'll put the information for you on our website at k2.com.